Welcome to your Forex and CFD trading course. This isn't lesson number 1, but it is the video that will get you started on your Forex trading journey. It is really important. Do not take it lightly, okay? Go through it, take your time, and do not rush. Just like in any other video that will come as we progress through the lessons, we will always look at the risk warnings, okay? The reason we're looking at the risk warning is to ensure that you understand the risk involved in Forex trading, okay? Because trading foreign currencies can be challenging, but you also need to understand that it is really profitable for investors, okay? Now, whatever I teach you, when you apply it correctly, believe me, you will be a successful Forex trader, okay? Now, that's why I'm saying take your time, go through this video, and let's get to it. Okay, so here's the thing. I've been trading Forex for a long time now, okay, and I have learned a lot from a lot of different courses, because before I actually began trading, I attended a lot of Forex seminars and took a lot of their courses. Okay, one thing I came to understand is that when it comes to Forex, you learn better by doing, okay, which is why I'm going to introduce paper trading as soon as possible. Okay, paper trading, I'm talking about trading on a demo account. Alright, so in this video, we are going to open your own demo account. I know we haven't done lesson 1 or anything, but trust me, open your demo account now. It is really important, because as you keep learning, you need to apply whatever you learn in the demo account, okay? As you apply, you realize the do's and don'ts. You realize what works and what doesn't work. So we need to open a demo account at this point. Okay. Now, when it comes to trading the Forex market, you need to make sure that you choose a reliable and reputable broker. Okay. You need to choose a broker that you can trust. Okay. And that can be quite tricky for a lot of new traders. Okay. So you need to be able to choose the perfect broker. How do you determine a perfect broker or a good broker? Now, you need to look at their leverage, you need to look at their spread, you need to look at where they are regulated, you need to look at their lot size, you need to look at their own platforms and all the other things. All right, so those are things you need to look at. Okay, like I said, finding the best broker can be tricky, especially for a lot of new traders, because a lot of new traders, they just go with the first broker they find, okay, and that can be their downfall. Okay, remember, choosing the right broker can make or break you. Okay, if your broker isn't reliable and you've invested a lot of your money and you actually make profit, but then you cannot withdraw your money, it's more like you haven't done anything. So you need to make sure that whichever broker you choose, it's a broker you can trust, it's a broker that's reliable, and it's the broker that's been around for years. Okay, and it should be a broker that is regulated in your country. Okay, when you're from South Africa, you need to have a broker that has offices in South Africa, that is regulated by the FSB. If you're from Australia, you need to have a broker that is regulated in Australia, that has offices in Australia. If you are in London, UK, if you are wherever, man, you're China, whatever country you're from or whatever location you're from, make sure that whichever broker you choose, they have offices in that particular country. Okay, so you need to make sure that your broker has offices in your country, they're regulated in your country, and they have a good track record. Okay, and they meet your standards and requirements, not the other way around. Okay, because you find a lot of people, they try and work their way out so they reach that broker's requirements. No, the broker should meet your requirements. Okay, if they want their initial investment is, let's say the initial deposit is $500 and you don't have $500, trust me, don't trade with that broker, because they do not meet your own standards. So trade with a broker that meets your standards. Okay, so you need to check the risk involved in trading with a broker. Okay, do not trade with a broker that has a lot of bad review. Okay, check if they're regulated in your country. Okay, check their terms, check their spread, because trust me, you need to understand their spread difference. Okay, now in this case, I know many of you are new to trading and you do not understand what a spread is. So do not worry yourself too much about spreads and all the other things. We will tackle them as we go along in the course. But then spreads are also, the spread difference is also important when it comes to choosing your own broker. Okay, now a lot of people have been asking me, which broker am I using? Okay, which broker am I trading with? All right, now I trade with Plus 500. Okay, that's the broker I use. Okay, now when we look at Plus 500 is considered one of the safest brokers. Okay, because it is listed on the stock exchange. It is actually listed on the London Stock Exchange. So it is really one of the most safest brokers out there. Okay, it is largely regulated, and it is regulated by the by the FSCA. Okay, and it is also regulated or licensed by the FSP. Okay, the FSP is the regulation broker. It's a regulating company here in South Africa. Okay, they are regulated and licensed here in South Africa by the FSP. Okay, and what I like about the company is they even disclose their license number. Okay, if you don't believe, if you have doubts about them being licensed in South Africa, you can actually, get in contact with the FSP and check if their license number is actually true. So that's what I like about the platform. And another thing, their platform is easy to use. Okay, the Plus 500 platform is really easy to navigate, it's easy to use, and the simplicity makes it one of the best platforms for me. Okay, now Plus 500 also has low trading fees. Okay, they also have the lowest trading fees. Okay, they don't take any commission, but they make their money through spread. Okay, so they don't take any commissions, they make their money through spreads, and they have a lot of instruments that you can trade. Okay, this includes CFDs, Forex, cryptocurrencies, and all the other things. Okay, so the platform is really good. Okay, they have one of the lowest spread values. Okay, now when you can check the spread for Euro USD, it's between 0.6 to I think 1.2. Okay, that's the spread. Okay, now I will explain what a spread is. You'll understand why a spread is so important as we move along the course. Okay, their minimum deposit when you're from South Africa, it's 1,500 rands. But when you're trading in dollars, it's $100. And I think when you're trading in euros, it's 100 euros if I'm not mistaken. But then particularly I trade in rands. Okay, I prefer trading in rands, and the minimum deposit is 1,500. Okay, now Plus 500, as I've said, earns its revenue primarily on spread charged. Okay, that is over 2,000 assets. Okay, they charge spreads on over 2,000 assets. Okay, now their time frame for withdrawing, it normally takes on about 1 to 3 days, 3 business days. Okay, for them to process the withdrawal. Okay, but then you also need to allow them some time to actually give you your money. Okay, my withdrawals usually take about 4 to 7 days. Okay, the longest it has taken so far, it was about, I think the longest it took, it's around about 6 days. Okay, but then most of the time I get it within 1 to 4 days. Okay, that's how much I actually get my money, because they actually got used to me being on this system or something. Okay, they also have the 24/7 live chat and email customer support. Okay, so basically if you have any problems, you can contact them at any time, at any day. Okay, because they have a 24/7 customer support, while many brokers have a 24/5 customer support. Okay, they are only available Monday to Friday, but Plus 500 is available Monday to Sunday. Okay, so they are always available. Okay, and let's say you become inactive for more than 3 months, you will be charged $10 per month. Okay, which is fair, because a lot of brokers charge around about $50 per month. Okay, so Plus 500 charges some of the lowest fees, and I don't believe most of you will be inactive for more than 5 days, more than 3 months. I mean, Okay, so when you have an account, why would you be inactive more than 3 months? All you have to do is just log in once every 3 months if you don't really feel like trading or if you're too busy. And then you won't be charged anything. Okay, so you don't have to be inactive. Okay, and the greatest thing I love about Plus 500 is the fact that they have a lifelong demo account. So that means you can open a demo account and you can trade on your demo account for as long as you want. All right, they don't have a problem with that. You can trade on a demo account for as long as you want. Here are the benefits of having a demo account. Whenever you feel like you have a new way of trading that you want to test out, you don't have to test it on your real account. No, that's dangerous. I tried that and I lost. So here's what I can tell you. When you have a new strategy that you want to try out, do not try it out on a real account. You can go to your demo account and try it out. Okay, not too many platforms offer a lifelong demo account, but Plus 500 offers you that. So whenever you have a new system that you want to test out, all you have to do is go to your demo account, test it out and see if it works. If it doesn't, hey, it's one of those. But if it works, then you can take it to your real account. Okay, so that's what I love about Plus 500. Now, if you're new to trading and you would love to open an account, I have a link on the description below. There is a link. All you have to do is click on that link, and then it will take you to the website. And once you get to the website, so you click on the link, and then you click on Start Trading with Plus 500 button. Okay, and then as soon as you press that button, it will take you to a page that looks something like this. Okay, all you have to do, you can go to create account. Okay, since you don't have an account with Plus 500, you just have to click on create account. Okay, sometimes it might not be exactly at create account. It might be somewhere. You can see the thing that says keep me logged in. It might be just above that keep me logged in. It might say don't have an account, create an account. So it can either be there at the top which says create account, or it can be there at the bottom just above keep me logged in. It will say don't have an account, create an account now. And then you have to click on that, don't have an account, create an account now. And then all you have to do is put in your email address and put in your password. Okay, now use your real email address. Okay, don't mess that up. Use your real email address and use a password that you will always remember. As soon as you input your information and you input your email address and your password, it will take you straight to the platform. Okay, so that's all it takes. And then you will immediately receive an email from Plus 500. So just input your information, input your password, and then it will take you straight to the platform. As soon as you click on that link, you will see something like this. Okay, as soon as you click on that link, it will send you to a location. Okay, that it will send you to a page. That page will ask you to input your email address and password. Okay, you should always use your email address because that is what they will send you. They will send you an email to that same email remember, on the description below, there is a link that will take you to opening your demo account. Make sure you complete all the details, and I'll see you in the course. Make sure you're ready. Cheers, guys.